Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again on euro currency. So in general, here is a predictable reaction. So we actually discussed this yesterday. Its market hits the 108.10 resistance and target area, and we said it's most probable that we will get the pullback out from there. It's just normal technical response. CPI numbers, as you know, were in general around the expectations, but what is interesting is that reaction stands quite different. So, and then you can see lots of volatility around, just because, I think that some contradiction exists in the minds of the investors, just because one could say that, take a look, the nominal CPI is dropping. Others could say, take a look, core CPI is stubborn. So, and that has led to really big spikes, not only on euro currency, but you could take a look what has happened on the gold market. This was some absolutely madness, especially if we take a look on the hourly chart. So now we're turning our attention to Fed meeting. As we have discussed in our weekly report, it seems that only Citibank and we believe that Fed could raise the rate on the next tomorrow, on today's actually meeting. So majority suggests that it will be the pause in a rate change, so maybe they are right. We will see. But if they will be wrong and indeed rate will be increased, in this case we could get the sharp reaction across the board. So it might be, maybe it will not be too significant reaction, I mean in terms of the time, it's not for not too long, but initially it might be really fast. So be aware of that. Now as we take a look at the lower time frame, here we do not have lots of surprises on the 4-hour time frame chart. Take a look, market is forming kind of the consolidation after the solid and could say this significant acceleration actually. It suggests that upward action probably should continue. And next target that we will be watching for stands around 108.50, which will be completion of this butterfly and double repo target on a daily chart. This is minimum target with the double repo. This will be the next one. Speaking about the levels that we have specified, so you can see that here we have this minor ABCD pattern. First level is already mostly completed. It's around 107.72. Also, it's also an agreement. So now with this ABCD pattern in place, we have the range to keep an eye on 107.64, 107.72. So this level, that's probably we could keep an eye on for a possible position taken. If you drop your time frame to the 5-minute chart, then you will see there is some bullish reversal pattern. It's all the better. Next support stands 107.41, 107.51. It also agrees with the XOP. So, and that level is very important for a short-term bullish context. So if somehow market will break it down, drop here, start dropping this level, this will be bearish. So we could say that this is some kind of the invalidation area for current bullish setup. So it means that probably it could be used for possible stop placement if you're working with a particular fib levels for a stop placement. If you're using the patterns, then you could use the pattern for hiding the stops. In general, you could see that everything mostly stands without any significant surprises, so mostly it's as usual. For the bears, here you could now see better the pattern that I have mentioned yesterday. So take a look at, we said that if somehow something will be broken in the bullish context and market starts forming hand and shoulders, that will be the signal to the bears to consider possible short entry. But now it's still time to wait, so nothing to do for the bears. Hand and shoulders, if it start forming, has good chances, because take a look, neckline stands around the conference support. It means that this direct downside breakout less probable than appearing of some hand shoulders pattern. So that's in general what we have on the euro currency. Let's keep watching.